Welcome back. All right, so I'm sitting here with the chassis and the light kit. What I've done is I've installed the back 3 lights, and they're really difficult to get in for 2 reasons. The plastic's really soft and it's really tight. Also, the lenses are tight because they use round LEDs instead of flat LEDs. So you can use super glue to tack them down, or you can do like I did and try and force the clip to hold it, because it's only 1 clip, not 2. So now let's correct the errors that I made last time by installing this chassis. You'll notice that the blinkers are on the outside. The rear light, it's no brake, but it is a back tail light, is in the middle. Then your backup lights are on the inside. You're going to want to loop your wire. You can't wire tie it. I tried and I goofed my wire, but I'm not going to worry about it. Make sure you have a soldering iron handy, because some of these connections aren't that great. So when you install this chassis on the back side, what we're going to want to do right here, you can see that we've got a little space in between this clip and the back bumper holder. So all the wire goes on the top. We're going to route our bundle. And this is why I tried to use a wire tie. We want to route our bundle up here in the back like that. And what's going to happen is these little lights are going to pop out on you because it's a really tight squeeze. Like I said, they're a real pain, only because it's soft plastic and they used round LEDs. So all the lights are going to come up on the top. We can pop it up. So as you can see, the wires should all, missed one, be behind your plastic. So it's in the little groove. Okay. So now when we bolt it together, see, I should be able to fix this. You're going to take your light cover under the bumper, down inside. Finally. Okay. So now we have red and white and yellow and white on this side. Hook it into our wire holder. Okay, I'm having a little bit of a problem with these wires here holding in the holder. Just going to use a little bit of Fun Tack. It's the stuff that you use to hold posters to the wall. Just keep those wires from slipping out. Just a tiny bit, just enough to hold it. The wires keep popping out. Didn't want to permanently knock them down. Could probably use a wire tie, but my experience with wire ties haven't been well on this model. So when we put our wires in, our little goodie piece here, I got the wrong, goes to the inside like so. So our wire is going to actually run down this channel here. As you can see, we got our little nook right there. That's going to become very important in the future. And we got our little nook right here. So as you can see, we have nice movement. Let's tack this down and get the other side done. All right, there we go. This is the proper way to wire it up. You'll notice that All right, we got all the wires tucked in. Our power wire. Make sure that it slides. Don't have it binding. You want it to move. You're going to need that extra space to get your battery in and out of here. So, now we have all this mess. And this mess tucks right up under here. All right, there you go. That's what it should pretty much look like when you're done. On this side, you're going to have 2 connections. We're going to have our turn signal. And I believe that's the reverse light, the red-white. Just like so. On this side, you're going to have your headlights in the center. Your black and red from the rear for basically the same function, except in red. And then you have your turn signal for that side. All this is good to go. So, I need to take a break here. I'm going to cut the film, and then we'll look about, let's see, I think we're about to wiring it up and putting it back together to see if it'll work. Please stay tuned for that. I'm probably going to release this in more than one clip. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to y'all on the flip side.